for me a K. Right around, let it spray with the ray. Middle fingers all right to the Jakes. I can't fuck with these niggas, they fake. I don't fuck with these bitches, they fake. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Catch your op, he get beat up today. Today. I can never work minimum wage. Pop a perk at me gon'
dog putting some 12s in there. He already getting this stuff ran. It's kind of dark. He running these. We got the stuff ran in the back. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But we running it under the seat, right there. He gotta get he gotta get this. He need another one of these right here. But I ain't got no sounds in my car, so I'm like, he can go ahead and take it. Yeah. When my car messed up, I had to get one of these too. Yeah, he finna go ahead and get it. I don't know what's taking so long. What you say you putting on here? Some 20s?
20s? You drunk?
Some 20s, bro?
28s. You drunk? You talking about 20s?
These gonna be able to stay on there?
Nah, I'm taking them off. Getting regular little nuts.
What you gonna do with them?
Yeah. I'm getting them to my founder.
To your founders.
You want? Too small?
What's too small? The one I hit. What you plugging it up to?
Huh?
What y'all plugging it up to?
Brown white. Hey man, what you doing, dog?
That boy say none ya.
You bad as hell. What you see over there?
It's right there. See it down there?
Oh, I see it.
That motherfucker kind of smaller.
That smaller.
Than what the first one was. Hopefully this one fit. I said hopefully this one will fit. But I'm thinking they're the same size though. Now I'm thinking about it. I think they're the same size. Cause I ain't had to buy two. In fact, I know they're the same size. I'm calling me. Look at them, man. They ain't got nothing else to do.
Yeah.
Hoop it though, bro. He got the Custom for the 28s. Oh, I thought he said he was going 8. I'm like, man, these already stupid, man. These joints right here. It's a little bit dirty, but man, this thing's sitting up, man. Y'all want to see these cars, man? Steel City Car Club.
Hey, look at my moves.
Steel City. Yeah, man. They got everything back here ran already. Everything back there. I don't know if y'all can see. That's the app, big old white one. Yep, he just running it. Right here. He got everything ran. We really just need this. But damn, this thing is small.
Look at my basketball moves.
Let me see. Okay.
Man, I'm telling you, some about them JoJo's can't show no bad as hell. This nigga bad. JoJo, yeah, you almost hit my thing. I'm telling you.
This right here is stupid.
Wait, doing something?
Hey, it ain't gonna bang harder than them 312s out here. Crazy, I had the trunk moving.
You should have seen American Face I had. My damn windows was moving.
What you have it in?
Look at my basketball moves.
In this car? When?
I had them when I first got the car.
Oh. Yeah, man, it's a daily grind out here, man. Just trying to get videos, stuff like that. I know everybody watching YouTube, especially during a time like this when they got us quarantining and staying in the house and stuff like that, man. It ain't really too much we can do out here. But you know, people in Indiana, Especially Gary ain't gonna listen. Anyway, you put my piece back on, man. Call this mud, bro. Parked in straight mud. Close this. He said you stop with that mouth. Bro, yeah, man. It's only a matter of time before I get my little, you know, I'm finna get a new whip. And be on the lookout, bro. Be on the lookout. I got shirts and stuff coming soon. I got shirts. I'm gonna have hoodies. I'm gonna just only have like probably like 2 sets of jogging suits coming, because it's finna start getting hot out here. People ain't finna be wearing no whole jogging suit, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm kind of starting late or whatever. I've been wanting to start it, but you know, you gotta wait till the timing right. You know what I'm saying? You always can't move when you want to move or whatever. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and get rid of this car. I ain't gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't want people to know everything, but this right here is stupid though. This New York City car club going stupid, bro. And then in that other video, let me zoom back out. In that other video I had, they had that that's my boy. He had that what was it on? I think it was on 28. Yeah, that SS that was on 28s. SS was on 28s or whatever. Yeah. But hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we basically finish or whatever. So I'll let y'all hear it, stuff like that. So we out of here. He got Chucky on the windshield though, bro. That's what I'm tripping off. And he on the inside.
You got the fan.
Oh, he got that right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow.
He got it over here too?
Speaking of those, remember I had them on my
what size is that right there?
6.5 probably.
6.5?
6.5 or 8. Hey Mark, is he 6.5 or 8? 6.5 or 8? 8. I'm gonna be done with him in like 2-3 months.
2-3 months?
By June.
That's better 100. I bet you get some more before then.
I probably will. They gotta go back there.
I already know. Hey, when this your first time having a portal?
My kicker's a portal.
You gonna stuff this?
I ain't gonna keep it, but when I get my American faces,
I'm talking about like for right now, is you gonna like put some t-shirts or something in there? I know. We finally done, bro. We finally got this thing done. I ain't gonna say finally, it ain't took them about 20 minutes, you know what I'm saying? It's 3 of us, but he ain't got it turned up neither, man. But this thing crazy, bro. He make me want to go big, put some 24s on my whip. You know what I'm saying? I want to go crazy, bro. You want to be on the camera? Hey, say peace. Ah! Yeah, man, this thing crazy though, G. My boy Isaac, man, he going big and going home, bro. He had the 26 and switched it up. Now he got a Grand Prix, and he putting this on 28s. Come on, man. No, he had 28s on that SS, but he putting 28s on this. It ain't gonna be the same rim, so you ain't gotta worry about that. But hey, we going up all 2020, man. I'm telling you, bro. If you rocking with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm proud of him, bro. I'm telling you, dog, I'm proud of him. It's my dog, bro. I knew him since I was younger, dog. Just to see him be able to do this, it's a big accomplishment, man. And he's still in school. He's still in school before this coronavirus. This man, he was working. He was going to work like at 11 p.m., getting off like at 7 a.m. and leaving straight from work, bro. He was leaving work, going straight to school. And then sometimes he has swing shift, so that means when he got out of school, he don't go back to 3 o'clock. I mean, he gotta go right back at 3 o'clock, so he leaving school, bro. It's just a process of the grind, man. That's why I'm out here just trying to get it, bro. I promise you, man.
I go crazy when I'm in the stoop, and I shoot for the style like a troop. Mind my business, I stay out the loop. I be ballin' so hard like a hoop. Fuck a Porsche, I jumped off the roof. Fuck a Porsche, I need me a coupe. Fucking phone, you know you gon' lose. A nigga like me, I get in that gym, I get out so smooth. A nigga like you get in that gym, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. do, don't know what to do. A nigga like me, I get in that.
That's exactly what I need to put on my doors right there. You think he was taxing 100 for 4?
6.5.
Oh, 6.5.
I got these. Oh, you built this yourself?
Nah, you gotta build boxes.
How much he charge y'all?
This one was $250.
Hey, what's the difference between when it's right here in the middle, then on the side?
The pressure.
The pressure.
It breathes better. Then you don't gotta worry about this part splitting when it's in the middle. It's this part to break.
Oh, I ain't even know that.
Hey, so when I get the them 8s, can I replace the back speakers with the 8s too?
Damn, bro. Look how thick this cord is, dog. Bro, I never ran my stuff with thick cords, bro. I think I need to start doing that, dog. That's probably why yours should be hitting harder than mine. I'm talking about this cord.
Oh, zero
I
gauge.
never ran it with a thick cord.
When you run
Ever.
pressure, bro, you know power.
What you going, those on the back doors?
I thought people used to just say that.
Oh. You just added one to the front?
Woo. Yeah, man, just like that, we done. He just put like some little Kenwood 12s in there, as I done showed y'all. Man, I'm tired of showing y'all other people's stuff now. I need to start showing y'all my stuff, bro. So I gotta run this bag up. Damn, just got dark again. I gotta run this bag up for myself and start showing off my stuff, man. You feel me? I don't want to keep showing y'all what everybody else got. You know what I'm saying? That's just me though. No, I ain't trying to show everybody else stuff. It's like me. I'm D-ratting them or something like that. Like you know what I'm saying? On they tip or something like that, man. That ain't how I get down, but you know, I love to see other people like grinding, man, success, bro. Like I told y'all, how he was working and stuff like that. It's just crazy, man. So now I just gotta get on. I gotta keep getting. I gotta stay on my grind. Just stay on my grind. I ain't gonna say get on my grind because I've been grinding with this YouTube. You feel me? So as y'all can tell, I got over 50 videos and it's only been. I just hit the 3-month mark. I just hit that, bro. Literally just hit that. Yeah. Right now I gotta go drop off. Hold on. I gotta go drop this controller off to my little cousin. In fact, it's one of my cousins calling right now. Let's call him back. Let's see what he want. I bet y'all $100 he gonna say something about hop on the game. Watch this. I'm gonna leave it on.
See, what you trying to hop on 2K?
Didn't I just tell y'all that? I just told them that, bro. I said cuz finna call me like hop on 2K.
Yeah, no. What's up with it, y'all?
Hey, cuz said it's good. Shout out to our Instagram, man, or Snapchat.
Shit, JWolf492 Snapchat. That's it.
Yeah, that's a wrap for this video. My next video that I drop, I promise y'all, it's gonna be like a challenge or it's gonna be a prank. I've been dropping vlogs for the new subscribers, but man, I gotta get these pranks going, man. That's where I'm getting most of my views at. With these like just vlogs and stuff like that, I ain't really getting my views. You know what I'm saying? My views real low. I'm talking about like under 30 views, and I got close to 600 subscribers. And I'm only getting like not even 30 people watching my stuff. But it's crazy. But I mean, it's not my subscribers' fault. But I'm not gonna say it's my fault neither. But I guess I just got subscribers that want to see more pranks and stuff. So I'm finna just have to drop some pranks, man. In fact, I got stuff that I was supposed to do pranks with. So I might just go do that tonight. Drop this video probably tonight, and then wait, what's today? Today is March 25th. I'm dropping this video today, bro. I'm dropping this video today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have a prank ready for y'all. So we going up all 2020, and like I said, it's a wrap for this video. So I'm gonna get with y'all when we got another visual. We out here. Like hey, no, I ain't gonna say we out here. We in it like swimwear. Peace.
I just might fuck me a K. Right around, let it spray with the ray. Middle fingers alright to the Jakes. I can't fuck with these niggas, they fake. I don't fuck with these bitches, they fake. Catch a op, he get beat up today. Catch a op, he get beat up today. Today. I can never work minimum wage. Pop a perk at me, gon'